All right, so Dollar Tree is selling Hello, chill. Now, come on now, Dollar Tree is definitely doing a big for me. All right, I don't even know where the price is for this. But honey, I'm sure gonna find out. Hold on 1 minute. This is a new hair line that Dollar Tree has. And at first I didn't know what was the difference between all three of them. But one is for volume. The other one, the pink peach looking color, is for conditioning. No, moisturizing. And then the last one is for smoothing. And I wanted to know if you guys want to see me do a hair tutorial on these products to see how these products do. Let me know in the comment section. But honey, Dollar Tree is fancy for me. I heard this was good. This one. Let me know in the comment section, have you guys ever tried this? Avocado and jojoba oil. Okay, so I had these nails last time and I absolutely adored these nails. They were so cute to me. All right, $1.25 for 12 pieces. Honey, I got more compliments on these nails than a little bit. Really, really cute. Peace, family. Peace, 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 peace. I hope you guys are having such a lovely, gorgeous, terrific, grand day. All right, listen, today we are at our third Dollar Tree for the day. Okay, honey, swing my way. Now, let's see what they have inside. Okay, so soon as you walk in, Dollar Tree has these makeup bags over here, which are $1.25. They also have the LED mini mirror, which is $1.25 as well. Put our back piece in here. I guess my youngest daughter, when she comes, she'll say she want this. All right. So they have the flash up, the button right here, the power button. Ooh, child, god darn, this thing is bright. Wait, hold on. Wait, hold on, child. All right, where's the mirror? LED mirror part. All right, mini LED makeup mirror. Honey, did I do something? Because I don't see no mirror. I just see this old bright light. Wait, hold on. Perfect for makeup. All right, 14 lights for ultimate illumination. The vanity stand allows for hands-free use and fold flat, easy storage. Okay, wait, hold on, child. Let me see. All right, so you could wait, what? Come on, Dollar Tree. Where's the 14 lights? Let's pretend that did not just happen, okay? Honey, I'm saying where the child, the mirror is here, okay? It had the darn You gotta excuse me, honey. I went to sleep this morning at 4 o'clock, okay, and woke up at 7. All right, so excuse me. Look how clear this is. Ooh, child, so nice. Ooh, child. Ooh, really cute. All right, so there's 2. Honey, you guys said 14 LED lights. Oh, maybe they mean over here. I don't know. Wait, let's see. 14 LED lights for ultimate. Okay, so yeah, 14. But this is really good for doing your makeup. Oh my goodness. And honey, it's so bright. This thing is brighter than I don't know what. This is really good though. For $1.25. This is a steal deal like Holyfield. Now I done showed you guys these, right? Dollar Tree. Ooh, child, Dollar Tree is coming through for me. Okay, let's turn the fans on, okay? All right, because there's some heat up in here. Some heat, some good old heat up in here. The heat is this. All right, let's not make no mistake. The heat is this. All right, now let me know what you guys think about this. All right, in the Dollar Tree I went to today, they had a few of these still in stock. So if you looking for, you know, LED light, bright light, I mean really, really bright, honey, you gonna need some glasses for this one. Okay, $1.25, still deal like Holyfield. Roll the clip. And a part of me is like, girl, grab it. These are cute. Yeah, I'm not gonna. I'm gonna just get this one. Okay, this is $1.25. Now, when it comes to the Valentine's theme, okay, this is pretty much what Dollar Tree has left. They have these sponges over here, the makeup brush and storage. These are $1.25. The makeup brushes that looks like a rose, really, really cute. Then they also have the 5 brush set for $1.25. Still deal like Holyfield. Now, Dollar Tree, this is pretty much their decor, all right? The rose stem, $1.25. And then they also have these balloons over here for Valentine's Day, really, really cute. And then they also have the pot and mix 8 quarts, which is $5. Okay, I thought that was $1.25. Those are $5. And then they also have the metal hanging plant baskets, which are $1.25. The neon pads, $1.25, honey. And then they also have the fairy garden decor, $1.25. Hummingbird seed feeders, $1.25. Oh, these are cute. The garden signs, I had seen these before. These are $1.25 as well. The metal S hook, these are $1.25. The garden is my happy place. I know that's right. You need garden gloves. Dollar Tree has you covered. $1.25, 12-pack. Okay, planters, $1.25. Honey, still deal like Holyfield. And get into the floral. Okay, these are $1.25. I absolutely love the colors. So bright, beautiful, vibrant. Honey, still deal like Holyfield. Then they also have the treat bags over here. One is fabric, and then they also have the plastic ones. The plastic ones you get 20 pieces for $1.25. The fabric ones 3 pieces. Okay, and then they also. Okay. Then they also have the makeup brushes. I think I showed you guys these in the beginning. Child. All right, wait, hold on. What is this? Oh, look at this big old makeup sponge, honey. You could clean your whole. You could put makeup on your whole body from head to toe with that thing. Then they also have some more of the plush teddies, $1.25. Okay, so these vanilla candles, ooh, who remember Young Ma? Ooh, okay, these are $3. These smell really good. Oh my goodness, very, very good. And this is the only candle like shaped like this that they have that smells really, really good. Well, that they have at this time. And then they also have the lilac and boom. The lilac and boom smell pretty good. Okay, that is also no, this is, honey, this is $5. Okay, honey, I'm so used to saying $1.25. Okay, and then they also have these shelf sitters. Fancy Pantsy Mancy. You guys know green is my favorite color. This is $5. And honey, when I tell you, I absolutely love these. Okay? Make sure if you guys online, subscribe. Honey, subscribe if you feel a vibe. Okay? If you don't, honey, that's your business. You could just keep on scrolling, keep on pushing, boo. Okay? That's how we do. Now, these are $5 as well. They also have the rose kissing balls. These are $3. And then the rose string lights, which are $5. Now, these shelf sitters that they have, some of them are shelf sitters. These are $5, but then they have the rose scented beer, which is $5. Those are so cute. So cute. And of course, they have the headbands over here, which are $1.25. This is a still deal like Holyfield. More decor, more decor, more decor. Now, if you're a person that's looking for plates and cups, okay, Dollar Tree definitely have you covered. They have the red. These mugs are cute. Really cute. Oh, I like those. Red, white, and blue, and black. Okay, and then, honey, you could just go on and buy your kitchen table that goes along with it. They also have the plates that goes with it, the red plates, the black bowls. Oh, and these are cute. I like these. I've seen these before. These wine glasses, I like these. Those are fancy, pantsy, mancy, looking like Lancy. $1.25. All right, and then they also have some more of the plates and bowls over here. These are $1.25. I absolutely love these, like jean print sort of. Well, on a plate, you get my drift. Okay, really, really cute. And then they also have the mugs that goes with the plates. Now, if you are still looking for these tumblers, all right, these are $1.25. Really, really cute. Comes in different colors. They have the purple, the pink, and also the red. Now, more items for garden decor. Dollar Tree has the solar stake lights. These are $1.25. And then they also have the welcome signs. All right, really, really cute. Let me see. Happy as can be. Oh, I like that. That is really nice. Okay, so these books look interesting. Life from Scratch, Family Traditions That Start With You. I thought this was Topanga. Who remembered Topanga from Boy Meets World? Oh, child, I used to love me some Boy Meets World. All right, Leave the World Behind. Wait, oh, remember the movie? Child. I can't believe this. They got this in here for $1.25, child. Dream Girl. Ooh, child, that looks good. The complete book of breastfeeding. Ooh, now this is good. All right, everything you need to know to make the most of your nursing experience. Your time to thrive. I know that's right. End burnout, increase well-being, and unlock your full potential. I know that's right. That's right, child. Okay, a human history of emotions. Now, this one looks like it's good. Now, this looks good, child. Ooh. Honey, I gotta finish the books. You know, do you guys buy books and then, you know, you ain't finishing the books that you read? But when it comes to books, right, one of the things that I do, I buy books on top of books. And the reason being, in my defense, okay, is because the books I have, I reread them, right? And then sometimes I want to say I be stuck on a certain types on chapters, but I reread the chapters over and over and over and over again. Okay, so I could be on on chapter 2 in a book for about 4 months. Okay, rereading it over and over and over again, and I tend to, you know, purchase another book from Amazon. When I listen to personal development, like Bob Proctor, Jim Rohn, Zig Ziglar, let me see, Aaron Doughty. I like me some Aaron. And who else? Les Brown, Lisa Nichols. When I listen to them and they mention a book, every time is, who else? Brian Tracy. When I listen to them and they mention a book, honey, I hurry up and go grab that book and put it in my Amazon cart and go get it. Okay? All right? And so that's why. All right. Okay. Now, let's finish doing the Dollar Tree haul. All right, honey. I don't do no extra, but honey, I'm gonna have to take one for the team. Okay, get what I mean, Jelly Bean. Now this is $5. I don't really care for extra though, but I guess if I put some Downy. Nah, I ain't getting no extra, honey. Man, I can't do no extra, child. Okay, and it's no shade to anybody that buys this, because I definitely used to buy it when in my younger days, in my heydays. But child, but if I do get the extra, no, shit, I ain't get no extra. Okay, now I'm definitely gonna go ahead and get this done. Wild Jasmine and yeah, Wild Jasmine. This is $3. All right, so if you are looking to buy some football decor, maybe you having a party, maybe you having a get together, okay, Dollar Tree definitely has it. They in a place to be. Okay, they Eagles. Okay, so somebody's an Eagles fan over here, I don't know. Okay, because they definitely have the Eagles, the little sandwich containers, okay, the little soup look like container, and then the little buckets over there, and then look like the little dip chips and dip thing. All right, they definitely a Eagles fan, and this stuff is $1.25. I think this is a steal deal like Holyfield. Now Dollar Tree is giving it up. All right, Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, $1.25. This is really a steal deal. Really, really good. All right, so if you guys are looking for ear scents, okay, air scents, car refresheners, they definitely have it at Dollar Tree. Now these are $3.25, child, and this is the fragrance that they have. They also have the vanilla papaya. This is $3.25, and then the waterfall. I think these are definitely a steal deal, and the reason being is because you get two of the refills and then the scented oil warmer. I think that is like really, really good. All right, these wipes right here, they are so good. So these are $1.25. They are a steal deal like Holyfield, good and clean. Disinfectant wipes, absolutely love these. And you get 30 wipes for $1.25. It used to be 24, but they said, scratch that, we're gonna give you 30. Okay, so I'm also gonna go in with this cookies and cream. Last night I did get the strawberry shortcake, but I'm gonna try the cookies and cream one. And also, you know what? No, I think these two is good enough. Okay, look at me trying to get, no, these is good, and these are $5. And I told you guys last time that Dollar Tree, they are now selling baby onesies, $1.25. Honey, this finna be your one-stop shop for everything. Those come in blue, pink, and also in white. Now, I showed you guys that Dollar Tree also have the aluminum free. This is the dupe of Native. This is $3. And then all right, so they also have these sprays right here as well. The dry spray, these are $3. Sweat Shield. This put me in a mind of Dove or Degree. No, this one Degree. Okay, this definitely a dupe. Okay, really, really cute. And then they also have the men's underwear. Now they did have the woman, but I guess the woman is sold out. These are $5. Okay, so I'm looking for some glue. I can't tell you guys what I'm looking for this glue for, okay? Oh, I can't use this glue because that lady who had that Gorilla Glue that time and put it on her head, and I'm thinking about using this for my nails, child. I may have to wait until they get that nail glue. Child, I ain't that much in a rush to put nails on. Child. Okay, so I'm back at it. Okay. All right, I guess I just get it. Let me know in the comment section which detergent you guys use. I'm just gonna get this, okay? Some of you guys, you use Irish Spring and I use Dove, okay? And honey, justify it, okay? This one time ain't gonna hurt us, okay? This one time. I don't think it ain't gonna hurt us. All right, family, so our total is $11.62.